Welcome back from my channel. Today I want to share the write-up for the publisher run from the TryHackMe. This run is rated as easy, but for me, I want to rank as a medium box. Okay, so you already start the machines, and I make the NMAS scan for the all port scan, but only 2 ports are open, SSH port and the port 80. So I use the Go Paster to scan the directory, and I found the SPIB. So that as per the hint here, so we should have the ICE. So I searched from the Google and I found this from the exploitdb.com, and another one is a GitHub the payload. So you can see from this link. So I'm sure this will work. So for the SPIB, and I want to check now. I want to check the is this vulnerable to this version or not. Okay, so for this script it's getting from spib.php and page equal to spib path. Okay, so I will go like this one, and I want to check is this working for me or not. Okay, and I already have here, and I ran in the bash tree and the bash tree, and I want to make request this one. Okay, should go now. Okay, it's going there. So just put the Gmail. Okay, it's thanks already. Let's check the bash tree reset. Okay, from here you will see the post request in the last. Okay, so the exploit is happened here, OUPLI. If you see the payload here, the payload is put into the this request, and the payload is put in the OUPLI. Okay, so they are putting the payload here for the easiest one, and I will use this script. I will use this GitHub script from the GitHub repository. Okay, let's check it out. Uh, 74.154. Okay, let's check it out. Because here you cannot see the response, right? Okay, how about we will create a file. Okay, let's check if it's getting here or not. In the comment I will write so I make a Python server. I created a file test.exe. So let's take it, can take it or not. Okay, the already issued the payload, but it's not getting from here. Okay, because in the server later you will see they don't have the car and they don't have the wget. Okay, so I will go to my manual exploit. So I will copy this payload, and I will go to the path tree. Okay, here I will do it the manual exploit. and I will delete this part. This part is no more use. Okay, let's make a URL encode. Let's only make this one. Okay, let's send the payload. Because of the PHP deserializations, you should see the okay, now you have the RCE remote code execution. Okay, so let's make so the payload will be, so this one you have to change the number 31. Okay, let's send it. Okay, here you can check there's no car, there's no wget. So now my idea is I want to put the payload. Okay, let's see. I will write to the file, or I can check the directory here. Okay, this is here, home think SPIB directory. Okay, let's execute like this. Whether can we make it or not. Okay, I will execute the payload. Let's make equal. Okay, let's execute this, and I will got the car. Respond because I have to put this URL so that it will execute the payload. Okay, let's try to get it. Yeah, now you can see that you receive your file. So let's get the PHP payload from the pen. I will get this. I will use this one. This is my box IP, and this is the port. So I will make a base64 encode and copy. Okay, I will put on the shell. Okay, now you already have the shell, right? Now you already have the shell. So let's check our Python version. Cannot. Okay. Okay, this one also cannot. So this one have a SSH URL, right? So let's check on the who will be on the home page. I think okay. Note this user file is a root, so you cannot read it. Let's check on the SSH folder because we can read the file. Okay, here we have a key. So now you have a user flag. You can read the user flag. Okay. And then for the previous escalation, let's check okay, after getting the user account, as I think we try to find the SUID file. So we found here. Okay, let's try to run this. When you run this one, you will notice that this validate container ID is not found. Okay, and this one run container.exe. Okay, let's how about this one? Let's try to put this one. I'll try to put our shell to that one. Here you will notice that so ES because this one is using the application armor. So let's check in in his profile. Okay, because we are using ES8, so let's check in the ES8. Okay, it's here. So under the OPT directory, you cannot write anything because of this ES8 shell. So we have to escape from this ES8 shell to the normal shell. And so let's check when you try to run this, you will notice but another one is here. If this starts telling me, you can do nothing in that folder, but here for TMB folder, so this for TMB only you cannot write, but inside the for TMB folder you can write anything. Okay, let's try to write again this SUID. So if you try to run this file, it will call into the OPT parent container.sh script. And this script has a problem, so this validate container ID command not found. So how about if you put the reverse shell validate container ID command to the for temp folder, and let's execute it. Maybe you will get a shell. Okay, let's try to do that. Let's see, you received the reverse shell or not. Okay. Okay, let's check it. You already have shell. Okay, now you already have the shell. So let's check the user. Oh, still that is okay. Let's try to override. let's try to override. Okay, let's check it. Okay, no, successful. So then you can execute the shell already. Okay, now you have become root.